Namaste, this is me Asmita. In this episode we are going to test most happening food from around Kathmandu and Lalitpur Valley. We are going to start off from Nakipot, Masala free restaurant and sekuwa bar. Its specialty is it serves masala free momo, they don't use artificial spices, and sekuwa. Nakipot is very famous for sekuwa. There are many sekuwa corners here. So basically it is pork meat marinated in many spices and then cooked in firewood. Katti meat is sekuwa. The spices they put into marinade, the lime, salt, pepper, it just marinated so well. As soon as you put it in your mouth, you feel heaven. Speciality of this momo is that it is masala free, as I've already told you. They don't use artificial spices. The taste of the momo, they say, Darjeeling ma paune jasto taste chha yo momo. Dough is very soft. Look at the dough. The pastry is just right kind of thin and it's soft. Look at the keema. Pyaz ali besi cha haina, यसमा taste मिठो हुन्छ के. And when you eat it, अचारसँग it just dissolves in your mouth. It's really soft, delicate. Taste go explode in the taste.
Momo game, momo game, momo game, momo game, momo game, momo game, momo game. I just want momo with Jhol, ayy. Don't matter, I get it to go, ayy. Chicken, buffer, pork, ayy. Chicken, buffer.
So we're here at Swadishta Momo Jhol here. It is said that it is fat-free momo and it is local momo. It has a local taste and obviously Jhol momo.
I just want momo with Jhol, ayy. Don't matter, I get it to go, ayy. Chicken, buffer, pork, ayy. Chicken, buffer.
They only sell momo, which are both chicken and veg. The taste is very local and the customers are from the local places. There are two types of achar here. One is chili, one is Jhol. Without it, the momo is incomplete. You cannot find this kind of taste in any fancy restaurants. We're here at Sanko and it's famously known for its mouth-watering katti rolls. I'm going to try chicken katti roll first. The dough is very soft and fresh. It gives you that sweet taste. The mixture inside, the masala, chicken, onions, they all gives you that salty, spicy, lemony kind of flavor. Now I'm trying chicken egg katti rolls. It's the same flavor but egg on top, like cherry on top.
अलिकति टेम्पटिङ टाइपको अलिकति खालको स्वादले नै गरेर होला क्या यसमा धेर एट्र्याक्सन भएको चाहिँ. अनि यो फ्रेस छ, हेल्दी पनि छ क्या यो.